Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make homemade lemon hummus, and we're going to bake some red potatoes and portobello as well. And let's go, let's get started. Guys, here is the recipe for our lemon hummus, and here are the ingredients: 1 can of chickpeas, olive oil, garlic, lemon. We need the lemon zest and the juice from it, and tahina, sesame, ground sesame, and we needed a blender to blend it. Guys, this is the lemon zest and the lemon juice. Guys, all the ingredients are in the blender, and we're gonna blend for 20 seconds. And here is our lemon hummus. Guys, we put the olive oil on the mushroom is ready to be baked. Guys, our red potatoes are ready. The mushrooms is next. Guys, let's eat. Our food is ready. Come and join me.
Like and share our video and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.